This is the Nogales, Arizona border area. You can see the fence that is poking up over the hills and there in the distance. It looks like a little wave, a little metal wave over the hills. This is perhaps one of the border crossing that illustrates best how the border really has come in a land and put an unnatural barrier in the land. So again, if the border wall wasn't there, you wouldn't notice. It's not like in Texas where you have a river that is a natural division between the two countries, but this is a very man-made, very obvious unnatural division. So you see that we have the border crossing sign. You can go north on the 19. We're about 3 blocks from the border, and there is a cream colored tarp that you can see on the left-hand side at the very end of that street, and that is the actual border crossing area. And just to give you an idea, there are several stores around. There's a gas station, a McDonald's. Now, Nogales, Arizona has a population of between 20 and 25,000 people, so it's quite small. Here I'm with my friend Brenda Nieblas.
Hola.
And she was born and raised in Nogales, Mexico. Brenda, how often do you come over to Nogales, Arizona?
Quizás 1 o 2 veces a la semana.
And is it common for people in Nogales, Mexico to cross over frequently?
Sí, es muy frecuente, propio, porque se viene de compras. Bueno, en realidad la mayoría venimos de compras para acá, para Estados Unidos. Y más ahora con la gasolina, también cruzamos por la gasolina.
So are things cheaper on this side of the border?
Sí.
And do most people in Nogales, Mexico have passports or something where they can cross the border?
No todos tienen, pero yo diría que quizás la mitad sí puede tener. Ajá.
But it's common to cross back and forth.
Sí, es muy común cruzar para acá y regresar a Nogales, Sonora.
And what is it like here in Nogales, Arizona? Is it culturally different or does it feel the same as Nogales, Mexico?
Yo lo siento lo mismo, a lo mejor porque estamos en la frontera y, por ejemplo, sí hacemos algunas cosas que hacen aquí en Nogales, Arizona, como Halloween y cosas así que yo creo que sí es un poco más similar que al sur. Sí, es más similar. Aquí en la frontera es nuestra cultura con Estados Unidos.
Uh-huh. And for example, when you come to a store here, is everybody bilingual?
Sí, ajá. Todos hablan español e inglés, la mayoría. De aquí de Nogales, Arizona, sí.
And when you cross over to Nogales, Mexico?
Pues también,
Yeah.
pero hay, creo que es menos las personas que hablan inglés en Nogales, Sonora.
Uh-huh. But you would say that it's part of the culture and the everyday routine here on the border to move back and forth between the United States and Mexico.
Sí.
If you had a choice, would you live in the U.S. or Mexico?
Me gusta Nogales, Arizona porque, no sé, siento que es un poquito más tranquilo en el sentido de los sonidos. Porque en Nogales, Sonora siempre estás escuchando música, siempre estás escuchando muchos sonidos y acá es un poco tranquilo, pero creo que seguiría en Nogales, Sonora.
And your son was born here, so he's actually a U.S. citizen.
Sí, ajá.
But he lives in Mexico.
Sí, él vive en Nogales, Sonora.
Uh-huh. Okay, thank you.